Listen and practice speaking skills. James, it's been ages since we've had a chance to chat like this. How have you been?
Hey, Ella. I know, right? Life has been keeping me busy, but I'm good. How about you?
Oh, the usual hustle and bustle of city life. Work has been hectic, but I'm trying to find a balance.
I hear you. It's all about finding that balance. So, how's the job going?
It's challenging, but I'm learning so much. I feel like I'm growing professionally every day.
That's fantastic to hear. You've always been driven and ambitious.
Thanks, James. Hey, did I tell you about my recent trip to Europe?
No, you didn't. How was it?
Amazing. I visited several countries and immersed myself in different cultures. It was a truly enriching experience.
That sounds incredible. Traveling is definitely on my bucket list.
You should definitely do it. It's so eye-opening and humbling.
I'll keep that in mind. So, what else is new with you?
Well, I've been thinking a lot about my career goals lately. I'm considering going back to school for further studies.
That's a big decision. What are you thinking of studying?
I'm leaning towards business management. I feel like it will open up more opportunities for me in the long run.
That's a smart move. Education is always a valuable investment.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of investments, have you looked into the stock market lately?
Yeah, I've been doing some research. It's fascinating how the market fluctuates based on various factors.
It is indeed. I've been thinking of diversifying my portfolio.
Smart move. It's all about minimizing risk while maximizing returns.
Couldn't agree more. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really. Probably just catching up on some reading and maybe a movie night with friends.
Sounds like a relaxing weekend. Hey, do you want to grab dinner together sometime next week?
Absolutely. I'd love to catch up some more.
Great. Let's make it happen. Well, I hate to cut our chat short, but I have to get going. Work calls.
No worries, Ella. It was great catching up with you.
Likewise, James. Let's do this again soon. Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey Emma. Not too bad, thanks. Just trying to survive the daily grind. How about you?
Oh, you know, same old, same old. Work, errands, and trying to find some time for fun in between.
Tell me about it. Speaking of work, how's the new job treating you?
It's been a whirlwind, honestly. Learning the ropes, meeting new people, and trying not to make too many mistakes.
That sounds exciting. What's been the most challenging part so far?
Definitely trying to balance all the different tasks and priorities. But hey, at least it keeps things interesting.
Absolutely. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some sleep and maybe finally starting that book I've been meaning to read for ages.
Nice. Which book is it?
The Alchemist, by Paulo Coelho. I've heard so many good things about it. I figured it's about time I give it a shot.
Ah, I love that book. It's so inspiring. Let me know what you think once you finish it.
Will do. So, how's your photography project coming along?
Slowly but surely. I've been experimenting with some new techniques, trying to push myself out of my comfort zone.
That's awesome. It's always good to challenge yourself creatively.
Definitely. Hey, speaking of challenges, have you heard about that new fitness class downtown?
No, I haven't. What's it all about?
It's called aerial yoga. Apparently, it's a mix of yoga and acrobatics, done with these silk hammocks hanging from the ceiling.
Wow, that sounds intense. I'm not sure if I'd be brave enough to give it a try.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun. Plus, it's always good to try new things, right?
You make a compelling argument. Okay, count me in. Let's sign up for a class together.
Yes. It'll be an adventure. I can't wait.